Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how does select all on parent change functionality works in the dashboard in AIV. Now, this select all on parent change functionality will be useful in a condition where all the child filter options will be selected when we are making changes to the parent filter option. So when we are clicking on a filter after selecting the parent filter option, user will not need to select the filter options one by one to get all the records for that particular option. To know what I am saying, I will be explaining it in more detail in my today's video. So let's get started. For seeing how does the select all on parent change functionality works in the dashboard in AIV, for that I'll first of all click on the filter option on the top right side of the dashboard. So I'll click on this plus icon and the first filter that I'll create will be of the name country, and I'll click on check option. Now once I do this, I will go to the settings icon next to the event option. And the source here, instead of static, I will select dataset. Display type I'll keep as list box only here, and the dataset here I'll select again as sales.ds. Column name I'll select country, and the column value will be automatically set as country. And below save filter I will select this option which is set default when clear. Now once I do this, I'll click on save and exit. Now I'll again go to the filter option and I'll create another filter, now this time with the name product line, and I'll click on the check option. Then I'll go to the settings icon next to event. Source I'll select data sets instead of static. And display type here I will keep multi-select instead of list box. Data set again I will select as sales.ds. And column name I'll select as product line, and column value will be automatically set as product line. Now here once I do this, I will first click on this option set default when clear, and then I will click on the option cascade. So once I click on the option cascade, I will be selecting the filter here and the filter by column on which I would like to make this product line filter dependent. So the link filter I will select as country, and the filter by column also I will select as country. Once I do this, I will check this option which is all select on parent change. And once I select this, I will click on save and exit. And I'll again go back to the filter option and I'll go to the filter view now, and I'll click on this plus icon one by one on the right hand side of the filters like this, and I'll do save and exit. And I'll save this in the dashboard, and I will go to the preview mode of the dashboard, since we'll be able to see the final changes happening in the preview mode of the dashboard only. Now here when I select the country, say I am selecting Germany, you will see that all the product line for the country Germany have appeared in the product line filter by default like this. And same way, if I select Norway, you'll see all the product line for Norway appearing in the product line filter by default. So this is how the select all on parent change functionality works in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.